Hi everyone, today I'm changing the oil in my Mercedes, but instead of using the traditional method, I'm gonna use an extraction pump. This way, I just don't have to crawl under the car and keep things way cleaner. Let's get into it.
I've used some flush from LiquiMoly. This is up to 5 liters, I think. I know this engine takes like 6.5, so but it should be fine. I use one every single change, so it just does the job. Just like LiquiMoly products, they're really good.
So for this oil change, I'm using LiquiMoly products. Just to be clear, it's not sponsored. I just like their products because they do their job well. I've got LiquiMoly Ceratec as well, like the additive, and I've used 5W30 Molygen with Synthesetechnology, plus of course an oil extraction pump and a new oil filter. Now, instead of draining from the bottom, I'm using this oil extraction pump. Just insert the tube into the dipstick hole, pump it out, and let it do the work. It's super easy, no mess, no need to touch the drain plug. Next step, I'm swapping out the old oil filter. Quick tip, always lubricate the gasket on the new filter before installing it to prevent leaks.
You need like an accessory there. One of these I've used, but I probably need a better one. Something that goes from top so I can just take it more easy because not much room here. So yeah, gonna take that one out, change the seals and everything. Let me just take the new one. Let's have a look here. What do we have in the box? One of these. I just didn't find the man filter, so I've used these ones, but they should be good, do the job. That's fine. Where is it? This one there. I need to change these seals. One here, one here, one here. So I took the old ones off, put the new ones on. Add the seals there. Excellent. They should easily go in. Perfect. Right, so this is ready. Put the new filter in. Made in Germany. Not too bad. That should do the job. By the looks of it. Now, after you change the seals, there, and there, pop the filter on. Put the housing back in. Don't forget not to torque it more than 25 Newton meters.
Now, I'm pouring in the new LiquiMoly 5W30 Molygen with Synthesetechnology. I'm also adding some LiquiMoly Ceratec, which helps with the engine protection and reduce friction. This combo keeps the engine running very smooth.
Shake the bottle very well. All in.
I've started the engine. let it run for a bit, and now I'm checking the oil level on the dipstick. Everything looks perfect and there's no leaks, so we're all set.
That's the old-fashioned engines where you can use the dipstick, so that's a good thing, really. So well done, Mercedes.
And that's how easy it is to do an oil change on a Mercedes W205 using an extraction pump. If you find this useful, don't forget to like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more DIY content. See you in the next one.